Morning student. Today we will discuss the portion which is for the academic year 2020 and 21. Okay, so I will explain you which are the parts which are there for that academic year and which are not there. So as you know, the circular has come in the groups that you know. So I will explain the some important concept which are there and which are not there for the final exam. Okay, so we start with the mathematical logic. Okay, in the mathematical logic we don't have to study the dual and the application of the logic in the switch circuit. Dual we have already studied, that is how to write the dual of the statement. Okay, that part will not come. An application of the logic to the switching circuit, that means in the switching circuit we are using the draw the circuit diagram, then simplified circuit. That part will not come for the final exam. Okay, and in the mathematical logic we have to study it. Most important, that is how to draw the truth table, quantifiers of the statement. Okay, converse, inverse and contrapositive of the statement, then write the negation of the statement. Okay, these are the important subtopics that we have to prepare. Okay, now next topic is matrix, which we have already covered. From the matrix we don't have to study the uniqueness of a matrix. We have already uniqueness of a inverse of the matrix. We have already studied the row transformation, column transformation and the adjoint method. And there is a one property, that is uniqueness of a inverse of a matrix. That part will not come. And the method we have a different method we have studied to identify the values of x, y and z if we have the 2 cross 2 matrix or 3 cross 3 matrix. From that method we have we don't have to study the reduction method. That means only we have to prepare for the row transformation, column transformation, inverse by adjoint method. Okay, that method we have to prepare. Now trigonometric function. In the trigonometric function we have to remember only the formula which are there for the final exam. General solution we don't have to prepare, that is the find the general solution of a given equation. Only the principal solution will come. General solution they will not ask. Theorem, that is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6 is also not come. This topic is deleted. And there are the some subtopics, that is application of the sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. This rule will not come for the final exam, but their results we can use. Okay, results are very important that we have to prepare. Okay, the proof of the properties of the inverse trigonometric function will also deleted. Only the proofs are deleted. The formula we have to use, we know that we have to use the formula to simplify the different trigonometric functions. In the differentiation also we are using the inverse formula. So that formula we have to remember. That proof of that formula will not come in the exam. Okay, pair of straight line, fourth topic. In the pair of straight line, all the topic this full topic will come. Only the second degree equation that we have to delete, that is a small topic, and from that only the 3-4 sums are there which are related with the general second degree equations. Okay, so we have to delete that part and rest of the topic will come. Okay, in the straight line we have to prepare all the topic, which is all the topic, that is find the equation, find the general solution, separate equation, combine equation. These are the topics which we have to prepare for the exam. Okay, vectors, which is very important topic for the physics as well as in the maths also. The proof of the proof number 9, that is volume of the parallelepiped and the volume of the tetrahedron. This is deleted, this will not come. Okay, then we have vector triple product is also not come for the exam. Angle between the plane, that is another topic, lines and plane. Okay, angle between the plane, angle between the lines and the plane, that will not come. Coplanarity of the two line, distance of a point from a plane. These are the subtopics which will not come for the exam. Vectors, line and plane, this is a combined topic, and if you have to prepare for the vector, line and plane, all the three topics we have to prepare together. Okay, from that part we have to only remove the theorems, but application part we have to use, the results we have to use. That is, for example, volume of the parallelepiped, volume of the parallelepiped we have to use, because The formula we have to use volume of the parallelepiped and the volume of the tetrahedron. Okay, and the lines, these are the very small topics, two exercise we have. So the scalar triple product we have to delete, angle between the plane that we have to identify, that part will not come, angle between the lines and the plane, that will not come, coplanarity of the two lines will also, distance of the point from the plane will not come. In the last seventh topic, that is linear programming problem, mathematical formulation of LPP and the word problem, this part is deleted. Okay, only we have to prepare the how to find the feasible solution using graphical method, that we have to identify. The formulation of the LPP will not come and the word problem is also deleted. So that means we have to only study to draw the equations, to plot the inequalities and find the feasible solution, that is maximize the function or minimize the function. That means maximum and minimum type of sums will come for the exam. Okay, so these are the important subtopics, okay, which is already deleted. So we have to prepare only the part which are there for the final exam. Okay, in the matrix we have to prepare the row transformation, inverse transformation, row transformation method, in find the values of x and y, that is by inverse method. Trigonometric function we have to prepare the principal solution, proofs. Okay, pair of straight and full topic we have to prepare, vectors and line and plane, these three topics we have to prepare together. And linear programming, this is a small topic, hardly two exercises there that we have to prepare. Mathematical formulation of LPP and the word problem will not come for the exam. Okay, still if you have any doubt you can ask me so that I can clear your doubts. So those topics we have already finished. Try to prepare for the board exam.